Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable battery optimization and custom charge mode on HONOR X7d. First, you have to open Settings either by tapping on the Settings icon on your home screen or by sliding down the Control Center and tapping on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down to Battery Settings and open them. And then scroll down to Battery Optimization. If you want to optimize your battery, you have to tap Optimize if this option is available. And if you want a custom charge mode, you have to go to More Battery Settings and then change Smart Charging to Custom Charging Mode, and then change the battery level as the limit for your charging mode. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.